Format: suppress scientific notation from Pandas aggregation results. How can one modify the format for the output from a group B operation in Pandas that produces scientific notation for very large numbers? I know how to do string formatting in Python, but I'm at a loss when it comes to applying it here. This suppresses the scientific notation if I convert to string, but now I'm just wondering how to string format and add decimals.
Granted, the answer I linked in the comments is not very helpful. You can specify your own string converter like so. I'm not sure if that's the preferred way to do this, but it works. Converting numbers to strings purely for aesthetic purposes seems like a bad idea, but if you have a good reason, this is one way.
Here is another way of doing it, similar to Dan Allen's answer but without the lambda function. Or
you can use round function just to suppress scientific notation for specific data frame. Or you can suppress as globally by.
if you want to style the output of a data frame in a Jupyter Notebook cell, you can set the display style on a per data frame basis. See the documentation here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.